Brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, today my selected topic, today my crux is that, or really, which is highly viable for everyone, especially for a student, not only student, for all people who are living in this world, who are existing in this world, because this kind of activity happening to everyone. You know, today the things which I want to tell you, I want to give you, I want to share among you, ladies and gentlemen, really this is extremely deeply viable. Absolutely, we must study, we must know, we must have full command about it. This is, you know what? Please, you tell me, what is this? Do you know what is this? The things. The point is that lots of crises, obstacle, hinder, barriers coming in our life back to back, one by one. As a result of coming the obstacle crisis, we start demoralizing ourselves, we start diving, we start diverting, diving our mind in a wrong direction. Okay, so guys, just I want to tell you, each and every moment, ephemeral, fleeting, we should motivate ourselves. We should keep motivated. We should keep energetic, active, productive, innovative ourselves. We are. So guys, in this world, in this universe where we are existing, we are living, we are putting up, this is full of the painful stories, full of the difficulties, problem, crisis, means our life, this world. Each and every step, we have barriers, we have examination. Those कदम कदम पे क्या एग्जामिनेशन है, अगर इस बात को आप फील कर पाओ, राइट, हर एक मोड़ पे हमारे लिए चुनौतियां हैं, अपॉर्चुनिटीज भी हैं, मुश्किल है, प्रॉब्लम है, हर एक मोड़ पे, हर एक मोमेंट हमारे लिए चुनौती है, और चुनौती ही में हमारे लिए क्या अपॉर्चुनिटीज है, क्या है, राइट, जो बदलती हुई हालात, अवस्था, circumstances, situation, condition, whatever changing each and every moment, here is also we have opportunities, we have golden. These are part of life. If we open up our eyes, mind, definitely we are going to dive in the ocean of the education, in the experience of the education. Lots of opportunities we have each and every moment. All right, because whenever we come here, I would like to clear his highly crystal clear, unambiguous, by giving a single example. Guys, my dear brothers, ladies and gentlemen, यूट्यूबर्स, वैसे लोग कम देखते हैं हमारी वीडियो, पता नहीं क्यों. So my dear brothers, when a person he start teaching, when a person he start leading his life, when a person he start actually managing his family, he start facing problem. Whenever you are sitting at home without having any kind of responsibilities, so you feel free, you have not any kind of opportunities. The moment you start working any work, any good work, any job, any challenge, anything, small or big, no matter, then you start also facing problem. All right, am I right or not? Please say labbaik, okay? The moment you start coming, joining the coaching, the moment you start facing problem. I saw lots of students, they took admission, The moment they took admission, the moment they entered in the class, the moment they opened the moment they welcome themselves in this new class, spoken class, lots of opportunities, lots of problem also they start facing. Still पीछे जाओगे अगर तो घर पे बैठे थे, आराम से enjoy कर रहे थे, no problem थी. Because here you have one kind of burden. This is the bugbear of learning English. Whenever you come here, you have embarrassment, you have feeling, you have scare, right? Pressure, obsession, lots of crisis you have here. So when a person start teaching here, when a student he start coming here, joining a new classes, he also start facing lots of problem. Why facing lots of problem? Because what's your crisis, obstacle, barriers, hinders coming in his path? It's a part of life. It's a part of learning. It's opportunities. It's opportunities. But do you know how many times we have missed out opportunities? We cannot calculate. Thousand and million times we are missing out the opportunities, my dear brothers, sisters. Are you feeling? Are you missing or not? If I accept, if I deal, if I manage everything peacefully, silently, by using our mind, without having any kind of pressure, definitely we clear and we conquer everything in this world. Now one day we become champion. एक दिन हम क्या करेंगे, इस दुनिया के बादशाह बन जाएंगे. All right. I also have pressure. I don't know you have or not. But the more you start growing up, the more you start crossing your age, the more you start having the pressure. If you are living in a childhood life, in a student life, so this is the best this is the best period of your life. This is the golden period of your life. Not only learning. If I talk about you are playing, you are enjoying, you are talking, because you have not pressure. If you have not pressure, if you are not facing problem, family is managing everything, definitely you are king of your life. After spending your life, when you got the marriage, when you actually got responsibility of the family, then you are going to compare how was that life. That was my childhood life. This time you are enjoying. This is your childhood life. This is your student life. Really, this is the golden period of your life. Believe me, guys. How many times you miss, you kiss, you adore your student life, this period, you are coming here, you are going to school, you are enjoying with your friend, you are attending, participating, you are actually doing any kind of activity. Because these kind of opportunities, these kind of things never ever come back in your life. Never ever come back in your life. Time will get changed, condition will get changed. Now we have not opportunities. बस